What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Brennan with 4Runner.com, and today we are installing a set of AlphaRex headlights. These are the Nova Alpha Blacks, and this is probably the sickest headlight that AlphaRex makes. Real quick, guys, today's video is sponsored by 6G4R.com. Everything 6th Gen 4Runner you ever need to find out about, hit 6G4R.com. These came from Customs Unlimited. If you don't know about Customs Unlimited, they're the leader in the game when it comes to headlight housings, fog lights, tail lights, pretty much everything auxiliary lighting on the market for Toyotas and other makes and models. Check out customsunlimited.com. Let's get these installed and see what they're all about. We're installing these over the factory housings because this has a DRL check right there. It's a super, super pretty amber DRL check that goes across the top of the housing. The three projectors in the front are super bright, and it just looks aesthetically a little bit better than the factory housings on the 6th Gen 4Runner. Let's jump in and get this installed. Before we jump into the install, I just want to give you guys a quick overview on what it takes to get housings installed on the new 6th Gen 4Runner. Since my whole front clip has been chopped off, it's going to be a lot easier for me to remove this whole front top clip now is what's left of mine. But if you still have your full front bumper, you're going to need to pull your full front bumper off. So for that install, just go Google it, find it on 6G4R.com. There is a ton of content out there showing you how to pull the full front bumper off. Once you get the full front bumper off, there's a handful of 10 millimeters all the way around here, here, down here. There's a couple clips. We'll show you guys here in a second what this looks like behind the housing so you guys get a better understanding of what that looks like. But we're gonna get these installed and then give you guys some output shots when we're done. We got this headlight housing out. Right now I'm gonna show you how to do the other side. So it's pretty simple. You have 3 10 mils. You have one right here in the center. I'm just gonna pop these off here so you can see it. I don't have power tools with me right now because those are at the house and we're at the office behind the warehouse, but it's pretty simple. You really don't need power tools at all. And then there's one down here. So if you have a 12-inch extension, you will need one to get all the way down there. And you can pop those 3 off. And then you have one more right here on the side. And then once these are removed, there are 3 harnesses on the backside. Once you get the housing popped out of place, there are 3 clips on the backside here. So you have this one white one. There's a black one up here. And then once you get these first 2 out, you can come here and remove that guy. And the housing's out. If you want to change the white DRL to an amber DRL, it's super easy. All you have to do is remove this housing right here with a Phillips and then come over here and find these 2 white wires and plug them in. Put all this back inside, put the screws back in, and you're good to go. All right, guys, just a heads up and install note here. Make sure to disconnect your rear battery if you have a hybrid and your front battery, starter battery, if you have a non-hybrid. And then if you didn't disconnect your battery before you started and it's still on, do not turn your vehicle on while all your harnesses are disconnected up front. If you do start your vehicle with your harnesses disconnected and the whole front clip off, you're gonna get a handful of check engine lights and you're gonna have to go to Toyota to reset those codes. Ask me how I know. So let's install this housing right here. So let me show you guys how this setup works. This harness that you get with AlphaRex is for the startup sequence. If you wanna run that startup sequence, you can. You can just plug this yellow cable into this housing and then run these 2 taps into your preferred tap in the engine bay. We're going to opt out of the startup sequence because we've used all the taps that we prefer to use when installing accessories. I have a ton of accessories on the 6th Gen 4Runner already, so we're pretty much out of resources. We could figure it out if we really wanted to, but we have a ton of wires already in our engine bay, so we're just gonna install the housing alone. Let me show you how the housing gets installed. On the back end of the AlphaRex housing, you have a white clip and a black clip, and again, this yellow clip that's gonna be for the startup sequence. So we're going to come over to our factory clips here, and this white clip clips into that one. This black clip clips into this guy. And make sure you're hearing a click on all these, and then this other one plugs into the back side of the housing. So once all those are plugged in, we can reposition the housing. Just be careful not to damage everything. We'll get that positioned in there just right, and we should be good to go. We'll install the other side, get the front clip back on, plug in all of our harnesses, make sure everything's buttoned up, and we should be good here. All right, you have 4 pieces of hardware here, 4 10mm. Just make sure the one that looks more like a bolt instead of a screw goes in the side, and you can get everything put back together. This one might be a little trickier. We'll probably put this one in by hand first. Make sure it all lines up. All right, guys, the lights are off right now. Let's go into auto and then DRL. And then it should do its startup sequence. Anytime you turn it from off to on, it will do a startup sequence. And then that's low beam, and then you have high beam. So there's high beam, and then we'll go back to low beam, and then we'll go back to just DRL, and then we'll turn the lights off, and then we'll turn them on again, and then we'll go low beam, we'll go high beam, back to low beam, back to DRL, which, by the way, that DRL check, that is really pretty. That looks incredibly good. Big shout Customs Unlimited. If you guys have not seen customsunlimited.com, go check them out. They are the leader in aftermarket headlights, tail lights, fog lights, Baja Designs, KC, AlphaRex, Morimoto, whatever lighting you guys are looking for. Call the experts at customsunlimited.com. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Peace out.